Today's video, guys, I'm going to do some exercises. My daily routine, guys, just doing like this every day, guys. And shake, shake, shake our body and my legs. And then, I need to flat my belly, guys. Doing like this every day can make my belly become flat. I, I need to do this every day, guys, so that my belly become flat. This is my problem. Look, guys, ayan, I have abs here. Doing every day like this, I feel so tired. That's why I need to guys, eat only a bread. I need to eat only a bread, guys, so that my belly become flat. And then this one, guys, my legs exercise. Again, my daily routine. Again, guys, you will like it. You must try this, guys. My daily routine, just to again to thin my shoulders. Oh, diba? Ayan. So this one also, guys. Yeah, very effective to flat your tummy. This kind of exercise, guys, can help to flat your tummy. You must try this. You must try this, guys. And I feel so tired. I feel so tired, guys. Arms exercise. Doing like that. My daily routine. Ayan, I count at 1 to 20, guys. 1 to 20. OMG. I feel so guys. I feel so good doing exercises every day. Ayan. It can make our body healthy and healthy and fit. Ayan. So then I need to my hands, guys, like this. Yeah. OMG. Yeah. Legs exercise. Legs exercise, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I'm finished. I hope you enjoy my daily exercise. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. Bye, everyone.